Imagine owning one of the most luxurious and secretive superyachts in the world. How would it feel to have a floating palace built just for you? Get ready to dive into the jaw-dropping features and high-end details that make Solaris one of the world's most coveted yachts. Before we set sail, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our luxury reveals. Let's get started. Roman Abramovich is one of the wealthiest individuals in the world, with a net worth exceeding $14 billion. With such vast wealth, the Russian billionaire has the luxury to indulge in almost any luxury he desires. It's safe to say that his life motto is to live life to the fullest without holding back. This attitude is reflected in the way he spends his wealth, especially on toys and gadgets that are synonymous with billionaires. His wealth has been built through numerous investments in diverse industries, including steel and mining. And he is best known for owning one of the top Premier League football clubs, Chelsea FC. Given his immense wealth and status, it's no surprise that Abramovich is a well-known connoisseur of luxury yachts, making him one of the biggest spenders in this field. When we think of billionaires, the first thing that often comes to mind is their superyachts. These grandiose vessels are a staple of the wealthy elite, and Abramovich is no exception, if you were to step into his shoes. It's likely you to follow the same pattern of acquiring extravagant yachts, as they represent a clear symbol of wealth and status on the high seas. Interestingly, Abramovich doesn't just own one yacht. He has a fleet of them, with each vessel more opulent than the last. His love for superyachts has earned him the nickname Owner of Abramovich's Navy. This navy of yachts has been a consistent symbol of his unparalleled wealth. Roman Abramovich's superyacht fleet is truly remarkable, filled with opulence, grandeur, and technology. Over the years, he's owned several stunning yachts that have become the talk of the yachting world. In 2003, Abramovich bought the 367-feet Le Grand Bleu, a yacht that he completely refitted and later gifted to his friend Eugene Schwidler. The yacht's design was breathtaking, and it marked Abramovich's first major foray into the world of luxury yachting. In 2009, he expanded his fleet with Luna, a 377-feet yacht. She later sold in 2014 for a sum of $360 million. Another one of his previous yachts was Extasia, measuring at 279 feet, which he sold to the Al Nahyan family, an influential family from the United Arab Emirates. In addition to these, he also owned Sushiro, a 162-feet yacht, and Polaris, which measured 377 feet. These yachts were all part of what became known as Abramovich's fleet. But the one yacht that would truly set him apart was the Eclipse. In 2010, Abramovich purchased Eclipse, a 533-feet superyacht that cost him an eye-watering $590 million. At the time, Eclipse was the largest privately owned yacht in the world, only surpassed later by the 590-feet Azam. The yacht is equipped with state-of-the-art amenities, including 2 swimming pools, a cinema, and 2 helicopter landing pads. The level of security on the Eclipse is also worth noting, as it is fitted with armor plating around the bridge and bulletproof windows, ensuring that Abramovich and his guests are safe from any potential threats. The Eclipse set a new standard in luxury, both in terms of size and features, becoming a true icon in the superyacht world. Its high-tech systems, security features, and ultimate comfort make it a one-of-a-kind vessel. However, this was not the end of Abramovich's yachting ambitions. Instead, it led to the creation of his newest superyacht, the Solaris. While Eclipse was the biggest superyacht in the world at the time, Abramovich wasn't done in his quest to top the superyacht game. He decided to invest in a brand new vessel, one that would surpass Eclipse in both scale and innovation. This yacht would be known as Solaris. Not much was initially known about Solaris when it was under development. It was shrouded in secrecy, as is often the case with yachts of this magnitude. Keeping a yacht that stretches over 400 feet in length a secret is a rare feat. But it only added to the allure of the Solaris. It was finally revealed to be the latest addition to Abramovich's already impressive fleet. Solaris is a 461-foot explorer yacht, and while it may not be as large as Eclipse at first glance, it's certainly no ordinary yacht. Designed by Australian designer Marc Newson, Solaris was built by the prestigious German shipyard Lloyd Werft in Bremerhaven. Despite being smaller than Eclipse, Solaris boasts several cutting-edge features that elevate it to a new level of luxury and technology. With a steel hull and aluminum superstructure, Solaris is a powerful vessel equipped with ABV engines and advanced propulsion systems that include pod propulsion and water jet propulsion. These systems make Solaris one of the most maneuverable yachts in the world, capable of reaching speeds of 18 knots. The yacht weighs in at 11,011 tons and ranks among the largest yachts globally. Solaris is priced at an estimated $610 million and is said to cost anywhere from $50 to $60 million annually to maintain and operate, as one would expect from a yacht of this caliber. Solaris comes with some truly extraordinary features. The yacht boasts 8 decks and has 48 cabins, allowing it to accommodate 36 guests and 60 crew members. The size and capacity alone make it one of the largest super yachts in the world. The yacht features an outdoor beach club at the aft section of the upper deck, which offers unparalleled views of the surrounding seas. In addition to the beach club, Solaris is equipped with a large swimming pool, a helipad, and a jacuzzi. One of the more unique features of Solaris is its ability to transform the helipad on the yacht into an outdoor cinema, complete with hidden speakers and screens providing guests with a one-of-a-kind movie-watching experience while out at sea. For those seeking relaxation, Solaris also comes with a spa, gym, and luxurious staterooms. The entertainment options are endless, with numerous lounging rooms, entertainment rooms, and dining options to choose from. One of the standout elements of Solaris is its advanced propulsion system, which utilizes 2 high-tech Azipod engines. These engines provide exceptional maneuverability and eliminate the need for traditional rudders, making it the most powerful yacht in the world. The yacht's security features are similarly top-notch, to protect against threats such as pirates, kidnappers, or even special forces from hostile states. Solaris is equipped with radar-controlled missile detection systems, bulletproof windows, and armored protection around key areas including the wheelhouse and main cabin. In keeping with the high level of security on board, Solaris also comes with a unique system that can disable digital cameras and other photosensitive equipment using a laser. This security measure ensures that Abramovich and his guests can enjoy their time on board without the prying eyes of the media. Solaris is not just a yacht. It's a vessel built for exploring the world's oceans. The yacht is classified as an explorer yacht, meaning it's capable of venturing into remote, untapped areas of the globe. Solaris has ice-breaking capabilities built into its bow, allowing it to travel as far as the Arctic Circle. This makes it ideal for adventurous cruising. Taking Abramovich and his guests to some of the most exotic and unexplored places on Earth, Roman Abramovich's investment in Solaris marks a new era in his yachting journey. With its incredible size, cutting-edge technology, and unmatched luxury, it's no surprise that Solaris is regarded as one of the most expensive and custom-made yachts ever built. For $610 million, and with maintenance costs running in the tens of millions annually, Solaris is a clear statement of Abramovich's wealth and his commitment to living life to the fullest. As Solaris continues to capture the attention of the yachting world, it's clear that Roman Abramovich knows how to spend his wealth in the most extravagant and adventurous ways possible. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Till next time, goodbye.